Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica and today I am all about crafting. So I will show you guys how to make this mermaid inspired vase. You can use it for flowers or, wait for it, you can also turn it into a night lamp. If you want to find out how to make your own or make one for a friend, just keep watching. For this tutorial, you will need a jar. I got this one from Trader Joe's actually. It had some pears in it and I took off the label. And you can really use any jar that you have at home, anything that you want to upcycle and just make really beautiful. Go ahead and take it. You will also need some glue sticks and a hot glue gun. And for this, we are making it mermaid themed. So I have a bunch of shells. I have a lot of shells. I got most of them from the Dollar Tree. I'm sure you can find yours at the Dollar Tree as well. And in between the shells, I'm gonna use some little rhinestones, pearls, and stuff like that just to decorate. Okay, let's get started. We have our jar. We're gonna open it. We want to pick one shell that we really like, place it where we want it, and then we're gonna start to use our hot glue to keep it in place. And then the other ones will just follow, trying to decorate the whole thing. I'm gonna fast forward this because I don't think you want to see me glue things for 20 minutes, so here we go. So it looks like our vase is almost done. I do have a lot of spaces. You can either choose to leave those spaces alone, just let them be. We can put some lights in there and make it a glowy shell light, which will be beautiful. Last thing you want to do is you want to go make sure that none of the shells are falling, and if they are, make sure to glue them really well so that if you give it to someone, it's not falling apart halfway. Also, I would recommend investing in a glue that was probably better than mine. I think these last ones I got from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I do recommend investing in more glue. And if you do want to fill in those spaces, I recommend that you use some kind of decorations like these, or pearls, or anything that you want to decorate. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I really think these little pearls give it a nice touch. I will go ahead and take all the little strings of this glue hanging out so that we can make it look nice. Once you have taken all the little strings of glue out, you are done. Yay! As far as what makes it glow, it's these fairy lights that you can find anywhere from Target to Burlington to Amazon. It's just some string lights with AA battery pack here. So everything goes inside. And that's pretty much what makes it glow. I really enjoyed making this one and I think it was totally worth the time. So if you guys did enjoy this tutorial, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you want to see more mermaid stuff, because I can totally come up with new ideas. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!